Once there lived a king who was certain he could be a better person if he knew the answers to some questions. The questions were: what was the most important thing to do at any time? What was the right time to begin a work? Who were the right people to listen to? He asked his advisors. One said, whenever you have to do any important work, ask astrologers for the best time to begin the work. Another said, only magicians knew what would happen, so the king should consult magicians. Some told the king he should always work any time of the day, and then he would anyway be successful. Some said he should consult intelligent people who could guide him at the most fortunate time, and he should only deal with good people at all times. The king was not satisfied with any of the answers he got. One day, his ministers told him that a wise and knowledgeable sage has come to live in the border of their village. The king planned to meet the sage and try to get answers to his questions. One day, he went to meet the sage and bowed humbly. The sage was digging mud to plant a mango tree. The sage blessed the king and continued to dig mud. The king said, wise sage, I have come to seek answers to some questions which are troubling me. The sage continued to dig mud. The king took the spade and dug mud for the sage. It was afternoon. The sage still had not replied. The sage took the spade from the king and started digging. The king again repeated his questions. It was almost evening. A bandit-like person came into the hut looking for shelter. He had severe wounds on his body. The king was very much disturbed seeing the wounded man. He immediately attended to his wounds. He cleaned and tearing a part of his dress, he tied it around the wound to stop the blood flow. Carefully lifting the wounded man, the king placed him on the single cot available in the hut. Due to tiredness, the man slept soundly. On waking up, the man fell at the king's feet and begged forgiveness. The king had come to the sage's hut in simple clothes, so did not know what to make of it. The king asked him who he was, and that he did not know him. The man replied, O great king, though you do not know me, I know you are the king of this land. I have been sent by your enemy to kill you. Your guards who were standing in the border to protect you recognized me and attacked me. I somehow escaped and came here. O king, you have saved my life. I lay my weapons at your feet. I shall serve you till the end of my life. So saying, he wept bitterly and felt sorry for what he had come to do. The king asked the sage, O wise sage, please tell me the answers to my questions, for which I shall ever be grateful to you. The sage smiled and said to the king, My son, you have already been answered. I do not understand, said the king. The sage said, You attended to the wounded man the moment he entered. Thus, you made peace with him. The most important person to attend to is the one before you. Maybe that is the last time you are meeting him. This may be the only opportunity for you to attend to his needs or do him any good. The most important time to take any action is now, because it's the only time when we have any power. Now is the time you can connect with your family and friends, make friends of enemies, take action to build a bright future. Now is in your power to make your life successful and happy. So act now. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.